Video is going to be my entry for the Jamie Genevieve and Feel Unique Top Vlogger competition. I'm just showing you like my 5-minute face. Because every time I leave the house for work or for anything really, sometimes I skip mascara. It literally takes me 2 seconds if I'm not like on here doing it. And yeah, I'm not going to ramble on. It's pretty self-explanatory, just really glowy. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I started off using the Liz Earl moisturiser for oily skin and then went on to the Photography Fluid by Neod. This just makes your skin really glowy and evens out any redness that I have. After that, I just went in with the NYX Brow Pencil in Espresso just to fill in any sparse areas in my eyebrows, just to make them look a little bit fuller. And then I went in with my favourite Big Shot mascara by Maybelline, just to make my eyes stand out a little bit more. And I love the look of highlight on bare skin with this look, so I'm using Anastasia That Glow palette just to make myself look even more shiny. And then I went in with the Manuka Doctor lip enhancer to make my lips look nice and juicy, and that is that look done. It's really quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed it.